Classroom language.
Listen and do the actions.
Open your books, please.
Go to page 84.
Do exercise A, please.
Read the text, please.
Hollywood stars, who are they? He's a famous American actor. He's quite...
Close the door.
Turn off your mobile.
Please stop talking.
Look at the board.
Listen and repeat.
Open your books, please.
Open your books, please.
Go to page 84.
Go to page 84.
Where are you from?
Sorry. Can you repeat that, please?
Where are you from?
What's your name?
My name is Mehmet. How do you spell it? M-A-H-M-E-T.
What's the capital of Brazil? I don't know. Excuse me. What's this in English? It's a dictionary. Sorry, I'm late. Okay, sit down. Now, can you match the words and definitions? I don't understand. What page is it? 84.
Write your name. Come here, Ted. Spell the word book. Draw an apple. Raise your hand. Look at the board. Pay attention.